Hello, my name is Amy Boy. I'm a professor in the Department of Earth and Environmental Sciences. My background is with research in species at risk conservation and geographic information sciences. I have a master's from the University of Sydney and a PhD from the University of Toronto. ENVS 2500 is a field course that I developed for the environmental science program. It's focused on species identification of certain taxonomic groups and relating those identifications or knowledge of species to human impacts on them. So how are they declining? Which ones are common species? Which ones are sensitive species? How we can recognize the two, and how we can learn to see differences in what is happening in the natural world. So this course is meant to be very hands-on to show students how to connect with the outside world and then how to apply practical conservation. We meet up with experts in the field. We try to do work that directly relates to conservation, whether it's through removing invasive species, helping hatchling turtles make it to the water, or advocating for natural spaces. We also look at emerging pests in natural systems, and we learn skills on how to combat or prevent the spread of these diseases, and hopefully give students a really hands-on view into how we can actually affect change in the natural world based on negative impacts from humans, basically. It's really important as an environmental scientist in training to feel like you can make a change in the field. And I try to do this for my courses and all the students that come through my courses by showing them how they can make this change themselves. And we do this through a series of activities. So sometimes it's connecting with other experts or conservation organizations outside of our particular course, learning about appropriate language or effective language and how to advocate for behavioral change, or educate people about sensitive areas in the field that are important for everybody to know about, whether you are a scientist or not, and trying to give them that feeling of hope that all of these small things that we do collectively will in fact make quite a big difference. My motivation is constant throughout my entire life. It's been one, my love of the natural world, particularly of animals and species at risk. When I began teaching, definitely it's the students that motivated me. Their passion, their enthusiasm, their genuine and sincere desire to learn, the expressions on their faces when I bring them somewhere and show them something new, that fuels me incredibly and keeps me going. And I think it's great because we all work collaboratively. We build passions, we share passions, and together I think we all find inspiration anytime we're out in the field, in nature, and then oftentimes inside the classroom as well.